When I was 17, I wanted to be rich. I wanted to make a lot of money, but I didn't know how. I wanted to know how these high value men think and how they see the world. And what is that thing which made them so high value? Is there any secret formula? So I started watching how to make money videos from millionaires, Shark Tank, and Andrew Tate. Yeah, he might be controversial, but some of the things he says are valuable. And I found two things. Just watch this video and I promise you, this will add value to your life.
Oh my god.
There are other things like being kind and disciplined, but come on, everyone knows that. Those two things that every high value man have are: if you don't have a plan, how can you expect to end up perfectly at your destination? If you have a plan, you may lose. But if you don't have a plan, you will definitely lose. You need to design your life step by step. Like after this step, this is going to be my next step. If I fail at this step, this is going to be my next. If you ask a rich person how he became rich, he will not say, "Oh, I worked so hard and boom, now I'm rich." No, it doesn't work like that. He made a very detailed plan. So, you also need to have a plan. And how you expect to get to your destination when you don't know where you are going? I designed my plan long ago to ensure that I end up where I wanted to be. Number 2. Think from above. All the high value men think of their distant, like they create goals that are designed to be achieved over a long time span. Like in 2 months I have to do this, then in next 6 months I have to do that, everything in a long period of time. Some people will misunderstand this. They will make a goal and start procrastinating. They feel like, I still have 1 month. Wait, let me just scroll. The way you are procrastinating looks like you wanna get smoked. Okay. Example, my initial goal is to reach 100k subs at the end of this year. I gave myself a period of time to accomplish a goal, and then I further divided my goals into steps like I'll upload 3 videos on looks maxing, 4 videos on productivity, and 2 opinion videos. Most of the men wake up with no goals. I recommend setting long-term goals and giving yourself a timeline such as 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, or even 1 week, and work like a robot even when you don't feel like doing this. And don't make plan for just one day. Like tomorrow I will wake up at this time, do this task at this time, eat at this time and sleep at that time. Come on. It doesn't work. I personally don't like making timetables. What I recommend is to write down those further divided things. Yeah, those further divided things. Because the time you're giving yourself to do that task is a week or a month. If you got confused, it's a summary for you. Decide what you want from your life and make a very detailed plan with each and every step so that you will perfectly end up where you want it to be. And make a very zoomed out timetable that includes long-term goals and give yourself a deadline. Thank you for watching this video everyone. See you in the next video.